Hey everyone! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna teach you on how to create a playlist and customize your YouTube channel with a step-by-step process. So watch out guys! And if you are not yet connected with me or hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe sa aking channel, please don't forget to hit that button below and also click the notification bell so you get updated sa aking mga latest video. Check mo na kung ano ba yung YouTube playlist. Okay, YouTube playlist is a collection of videos that play in order, one after the other, automatically. It's just like yung mga ating Spotify music, it's just like your Apple Music that are in group. Actually, naka-isang isang folder siya. That's what we call playlist. Sa YouTube channel naman natin, we also need to have a playlist para mas organize, okay, mas na-customize natin yung ating YouTube channel. Now, if you have a channel and you don't have a playlist, then it can be a disaster. So please watch out guys, or continue watching to find out how to create a playlist on your YouTube channel.
Oh, here we go now. This is how to create a playlist to customize your YouTube channel for 2020 step-by-step process, okay? And if you have a content but you don't have a playlist, then that can be a disaster. So let's give you 4 ways, 4 na ways on how to create the playlist. First things first, of course, you have to go to your YouTube account. First way, unang-una, if you are going to upload a video, automatically you can already put it on a playlist. So if you go upload the video, let's say for example, let me show you, select video. Let's say for example, this one. Okay, just put a title, let's say Foreign Fun. Yes. Under details, okay, you would see here, you can now I've already created a playlist here. Let's say for example, you can add it on an existing playlist, or if you want to add a new playlist for your channel. Let's say for example, kids time. Okay, so you can create. Okay, just click on create, done, and then go on next. Okay, so that's one way on how to create your playlist. That's one, whenever you upload videos. Second option in creating a playlist. Okay, on your YouTube page, you can go under YouTube Studio. Okay, you would see the 2 customize channel, and of course the other one is YouTube Studio. Go to YouTube Studio. You can actually go under playlist. Under playlist, you can check here. You can create new playlist and put a title for it. So let's say for example, tutorial 2020. Okay, and then just click on create, and then you would have this page. All right, so this is empty because we have not added any videos yet. But if you wouldn't want to add videos, okay, you have an option, by the way, to edit your title. You wish to go the video on public, unlisted, or private. Or let's say, for example, you want to share it to, let's say, Facebook, Twitter, and so on. So just you have other options here. Now, apart from that, you have an option if you want to add videos, then you can click on add video, and then you can go under your YouTube channels or YouTube videos, by the way, and just click on the things that you would want to add on that playlist. Let's say I have chosen this 4, then add videos. Let's say it's all for tutorials, and there you have it. You already have a playlist for tutorial on your channel. You have an option also to move this up. You could edit it, you can change the place, move it up, move it down. You can even delete it on the other side. Let's say you don't want to have this added on this playlist, then you can remove it, right? So there you go. So you have this is option number 2. Now let's go on option number 3. Let's close this one. Let's say for option number 3, you have an option to, let's go back to our home page. There you go. So this is your home page now. So click on videos. This is the option number 3 in adding a playlist to your channel. You would see all the videos that you have. Now, if you wanted to set a folder for each and every video, you can do so. What you're gonna do is just click on this three dots this is what we call ellipsis. Okay, I'm sorry, let me just go back. Ellipsis. Now, just click on that and then click on save to playlist. You will do it one by one. So let's say, for example, let's say it's already saved under this playlist. So if you want to create, just click on create new. Okay, and then type in whatever name you would want to have for that playlist. Let's say birthday. Yeah, birthday public, then just create. Once you created, it's already under the playlist birthday. There you go. And also under this Team Dynamite effect happenings. It's up to you where you want to put a particular video or which playlist you want to have it on. So let's move on. Let's say this one. If you wanted to save it again, you can save it under which tutorial or which playlist that you already have. So these are the folders that I already have for my playlist on my YouTube channel. Okay, so you can do it one by one. Click on the ellipsis again, then save to playlist. Same goes. All right, this is the third option on how you can create a playlist on your YouTube channel. Let's go on to the fourth step now. For the fourth step, you just have to go under your, of course, your homepage, YouTube channel, and then go under YouTube Studio. Okay, this is the option number 4, and you can go under videos. Okay, so these are the videos that you have. Once again, you have an option. If you tick on these boxes, let's say, yeah, you can choose yes, there's 3, and then add to playlist. Click on this one, and then you can, create new playlists. So whichever options you are comfortable with, you can do it. So long as you have playlists, it will make your life easier so that people can view your list. They can play your videos one after another automatically. I hope you've learned something new today on how to create a playlist for 2020 to customize your YouTube channel. And this is the step-by-step process on how to do it.
And once again, kung bago ka lang sa akin channel, please don't forget to give me a big like. Also to subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I have new uploads. And of course, kapag nagla-live stream tayo. And speaking of live stream, I also wanted to shout out sa members ng mga club ko, yung mga nag-join ng ating membership ko. Let me just name those people na talagang solid ang support na binigay po sa atin. Shout out to Tita Preneur, Kamalmal, Nelly Lowe, A Hug for You, Kenyanella Siblings, Mary Hisuan from Singapore, Zaren from Kuwait, Educador Channel, Mitch Channel Taiwan, Dansoy Food Trip from Saudi, Lacy Maldita, Kamosang Len, EJPF.ph, and Machudas Daily. Again, sa mga members ng ating Team Dynamite Effect, thank you so much for joining the membership. And of course, it's a way to help other people as well. Let's grow together as one. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat. At sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-join sa ating membership, please just click on the join button dyan sa baba ng screen natin because we want you to be part of this growing team and so that we can help other people as well, right? There would be available levels ng friendship para sa atin. You can just check and select and also check the perks available for you. And if you have more questions about it, just drop me a comment down below and I'll get back to you on that.
Bye everyone, and once again, never stop learning and keep educating yourself. Thanks Dynamiters, and have a great day. Till next time.